Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the lip gloss that I used on my Rosie the Riveter look that I just recently. The thing that I don't like about lip gloss sometimes is that it gets really sticky, and it tends to, like if I have my hair down, it like sticks to my hair when I'm talking or like when the wind's blowing, and so I really don't like to use lip gloss for that reason. But the lip gloss that I found is really good. It really just feels like I'm not even wearing anything. It just kind of blends in. Really nice. It's really pigmented. It's a really weird place where I found it. But I actually found it at the 99-cent store. I'm not sure if it's at every 99-cent store. I know that there's one in California by where I live at, and I live in Irvine. So they have a really, I was just shopping, just buying like little stuff here and there. I don't usually go to the 99-cent store, but I was there just like browsing around, and I saw it, and usually I wouldn't put this stuff on my lips if it didn't come. This is how it looks. It says, the thing that made me want to use it is it's Wet n Wild. So it's not a brand that I'm not aware of or a brand that I don't know. And another reason that I purchased it, I'm not really like, oh my gosh, it's from the 99-cent store, I'm not going to use it, you know? Because, I mean, their products are the same. It's some of the products, yeah, it's not very good quality. That's why it is at a cheap price. But most of the products are the same that you would buy at another store, only in smaller quantities, or just like instead of giving you a big box of something that would cost you $3 at the store, they give you a smaller one for 99 cents. So everything is kind of the same thing that you would actually buy at a regular store, except it's just smaller in quantities. But that's when it's brands like you know. I have no idea why this is 99 cents, but it was a really good buy. And the other reason why I bought it was because I wouldn't normally use these products on my lips if it hadn't been for the safety seal. And right there it says safety sealed for your protection, and I made sure that when I bought it, it was sealed, because you don't want to put something on your skin if it's been used by somebody else. That's kind of gross. So I made sure that all of the I actually bought 3 because I was so surprised that they were so inexpensive. They only give you 2 kinds, and that is this one that I love to use. It's really good because both of the different colors, palettes, they all have this bright red that I wore on my video. So this one is more of a pinkish palette, as where this one is more of a brownish palette, but still has that red in there, so that's really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply all of these and show you what they look like on my lips. And we'll just see if you want to get it, then you can get it, and if not, just it's just a little helpful little YouTube review. So let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to put that one that you guys loved, which is the red that I used on there. And it's really cute because it comes with its own little mirror. So you get the whole palette, and then you get the mirror too. And it's a really good sized mirror. It's really useful. So, alright. And if you're a little iffy about using these products because it comes from the 99-cent store, you could always use a different brush, but like I said, since it was sealed, I really felt really safe using this product. Okay, so that's the red, and you can see it's really bright. Okay, so let me show you another color now. I have my little handy dandy baby wipes. So now that my lips are back to the normal color, I'm going to be using, these are the colors that there are. There's the bright red that I used for my video. This other color that I absolutely love and I use almost every day now. And this is a pinkish, like Barbie-ish color that I love to wear. I actually wore it all day today. Okay, so that's the pink. And it's really, really bright. And it's really, really pretty. I love this color. I felt like a Barbie because, you know, Barbie always has like funky colors like turquoise and hot pinks. And it really goes well together for some reason, but... Alright, so okay, so now that my lips are back to the normal color once again, like I said, these were the only two colors that I have used, are these two right here, the pink and the bright red. So right now I'm going to move on to this like burgundy-ish but kind of pink undertones and see how that one turns. I have not used this one before. Okay, and then this is the burgundy color right down here. And it's really pretty, like purplish, plumish color. Hope you guys can see it, okay? But it's a little bit darker than the other colors that I've used. And it's really nice. It's more like of a like an out color, like a nighttime color. But it's really, really pretty. So let's try the next color. It's on the side. So this one up top. And this is more of like a light chocolate-ish color. And this is the reason why I bought so many of these. I actually went back because I was like, I cannot believe that it's Wet n Wild. And it's such like pigmented colors. It's so cute. Okay, and this is more of, sorry, I feel really funny with it, but this is kind of like a glossy, like a nude lip color. And it's really pretty. It would go really good with like a smoky eye. So that's really cute. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really chocolatey. It's kind of like a moussey color. The one at the very bottom. So it's this one right down here. Okay, and then the last one we have on that palette, is the red one, but the not as bright red one. This is the one I'm going to be using right now. And this one is like a shiny, more of like an 80s red. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so that's this one. And that one was this one up here. And it's like a reddish, but it has like a pinkish to it. So it's like a lightish pink red. And that's all of the ones from this palette. And the little brush that comes with it is this one that I've been using the most. And I don't know what this one's for, but it doesn't go really well with my lips. Like it doesn't like soothe over it and stuff. And I like to go like make it kind of like an upside down W when I do mine. So this one doesn't really help that much. But this side is really, really good. And it's really cute because it's like clear, just like the little compact. Tested both the $3.91 and the $3.92. My favorite one would have to be the $3.91, and that is because it's more of reddish and pink, which I love. And I don't use that many browns, but if you use more brown in your everyday, then you might want to get the $3.92. But if you like to use the reddish and the pinks, you might want to get the $3.91. So I hope this tutorial helped, and I really, really hope that there's a 99-cent near you. That way you can go and buy a millions of these, because I really feel like they're going to be gone really soon. So, alright, well, thank you for watching. Bye!